Travel and expenses covered by Warner Brothers.
Something has to be done about this Brazilian humidity. My hair cannot take it. But look at her now. Yeah. I usually get my hair chemically straightened, so it's like at the roots, doesn't get as poofy and crazy. But I haven't done that in a while, so you got what you got. For dinner, lunch, we have the salmon again. It was so good last time, I had to get it again. And some green tea. I asked for a coconut, but they must have been out. Whatever will I do without my Brazilian coconut? Blah. Oh my gosh, I found it! They gave me actual coconut water. Oh, this is what I asked for. Next time I gotta ask for coconut. All right, your girl is ready. This is the same outfit I wore not too long ago to Horror Nights, but it is my Harley Quinn outfit. Gonna wear this jacket, headed to the convention. So for today, we are going to a Birds of Prey panel. We're gonna see some footage that has never been seen before, and I'm so excited. The Brazil Comic-Con is huge. It is the nicest convention I have ever been to. And I've been to a lot of conventions, but man, their lighting is on point. Every single booth is just like straight up an exhibit, an experience, and it's just freaking nice. So I'm excited to see what the panels are like. Let's hope my hair holds up against the humidity. We gotta go. Just saying, I did some impressive photos in front of this guy. Check my Instagram stories to see it. Actually, Lena, show yeah, we're about to head to the, what were you saying? I was saying CCXP. I think we're tire drunk. We're headed to the Birds of Prey panel right now, and I'm so excited. I think we're gonna get a little sneak peek of the movie. Let's go! Let's do this! Oh my gosh, the girl just came out. Right before the panel! This whole place was just like super dope. Brazilian humidity is not helping me out. Today was crazy. I saw 2 trailers for Birds of Prey and 2 like completely different parts of the movie. Oh my god, I can't believe what I witnessed. I'm still so blown away. It's so good. I've been reading the Harley Quinn comics, but some of the actors mentioned some of the comics that had inspired them in their roles, and I'm gonna download them tonight and watch all of them because I think tomorrow's gonna be crazy. I don't know if I could tell you what tomorrow's gonna entail, but you'll see it the following day. And probably on my Instagram if you're following my stories. I'm posting a lot of stuff on there, so go check that out. I'm gonna head to dinner, but I hope you guys have been enjoying Library. Today's been a Vlogmas day. I keep saying Library. Today's been a busy day. Every day is gonna be a busy day. I need to go get fed. Guys, I just rage quit at dinner. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten since we had that Brazilian barbecue earlier today. And there was like plenty of times for me to eat, but I didn't eat because I didn't want like convention food. And I was at dinner with a bunch of people and it was like loud and I fell asleep. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I'll show you guys. I fell asleep on the bus because I'm tired because I stayed up till 5 a.m. because I was just being crazy, couldn't sleep. So I came back to my room because it was taking too long to order. So I told everyone I was leaving. I was so hangry. I was like, I gotta go. I'm starving. I feel real embarrassed about it. But I ordered room service and I think I got too much, but I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat all of it. Look at this. This is vegan sushi. This is a vegan dessert. And I think this is my spicy tuna roll. And this is a pineapple mint juice. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Yes! Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Do you see this right here? This is my natural curly hair. Also, ignore my little grays. I've had gray hair since I was 16. But look at it. It like starts to get curly right there.